What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to AB Moto. Yes, you heard me correctly. I said welcome back to AB Moto. We are back, and we about to be better than ever. First things first, thank y'all for 47,000 subscribers, man. I truly appreciate it. Like, I remember when I first started this journey, posting a vid, getting 0 views. You know what I'm saying? We got 2 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Then we start posting more, and then it's to the point we don't see too much major growth, and it's like, do I want to continue this? You know what I'm saying? Do I want to quit? But hey, man, we kept going, we kept pushing, we kept dropping. Now here we are. Right now, we at 47,996. But by the time this upload, we'll probably be at 48,000. But once again, I just want to say thank y'all. Like, I truly appreciate it. And I know a lot of y'all been wondering, I'm saying, where I've been, what I've been doing, what the vids. All I gotta say is, man, life been lifing. But for the most part, I've been working, grinding, I'm saying, handling business, I'm saying, the real world. But hey, man, we back, man. We about to get back to posting. I'm saying? I got over like 20 bikes. I'm saying? I got over 20 bikes worth of content at this moment. I'm saying? We're gonna get more and stuff like that. But hey, man, I got a lot of catching up to do. But hey, man, right here, I'm saying, we got another YZ125. I'm saying, some of y'all may know, I'm saying, I did a YZ125 build a few months ago, but I ended up selling that to get my R6. And yes, I still got the R6. At the end of the video, I might give y'all a quick little moto vlog. But yeah, man, we got the YZ125 right here. And we got two twin ATVs, Apollo 125 single speeds, hit the gas and go. So this one mine. I got a YX160 motor laying around. I'm gonna do a YX160 build. And then this one I got from my uncle. He been wanting the 4-wheeler. And he wanted to learn how to ride the clutch. So I'm gonna put a 125 4-speed clutch on this one, and then I'm gonna surprise him with it. But speaking of surprises, I know y'all been waiting on the $1,000,000 question. Where's the giveaway? Where's the giveaway bike? You know what I'm saying? I've been seeing a lot of comments. Giveaway, 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 giveaway. You know what I'm saying? One sec. Here it is. Here's the answer to the $1,000,000 question. Yes, I still have the giveaway bike, and yes, I'm still doing the giveaway. But like I said, life been lifing. You know what I'm saying? I caught the flu, sick for 2 weeks straight. On my deathbed, pretty much. I'm saying, I had to shake back from that. Now I'm back at work. I'm saying, I'm doing solo house renovations. I'm saying, I'm pulling 48 hours, 72-hour shifts off straight Red Bull. I'm saying, gotta make sure the bills paid. I'm saying, make sure the house taken care of. I'm saying, then I'm having truck problems, bike problems. I'm saying, gotta make sure all the problems situated. Like I said, life been lifing, man. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all can relate, but that's just, what I'm saying, what I mean by life been lifing for me. So I ain't really have time to work out the details, build the bike, make a video, none of that. Like I said, this is the first vid back. We're gonna get back to it. But like I said, I got brand new everything for this bike. I got a brand new motor, brand new plastics, brand new seat cover, grips, brand new rims and tires, brand new everything. Sorry y'all, the camera died, but we back, man. It's nighttime now, but we still finna get this video done, man. But yeah, man, that's all the questions, man. Pretty much where I've been, what I've been doing, giveaway. That answers all the questions, man. Alright, y'all, first moto vlog back. You know what I'm saying? This is a mini moto vlog. I just want to pop out on the R6 real quick, man. Show y'all I still got it. You know what I'm saying? Since this is a welcome back vid, we ain't gonna do no building or nothing. We're just gonna do a little quick little moto vlog, you feel me? You know, I was trying to get the vid done before it got dark, but it been raining all day. And then when I started, we got a good amount recorded. Then my phone died. So like I said, we still gonna get it done. We still getting it done. Just showing y'all that I'm really, you know what I'm saying, about to lock back in on this content. And I know a lot of y'all excited for the giveaway. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get that emotion by September 1st. I'm gonna go ahead and fill y'all in real quick. So pretty much the giveaway, how it's gonna work. I've been working on a mobile game for like a long time. You know, and I done dropped it a few times on Android, but I always took it down. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop the app, but I'm gonna drop it on Android and Apple, so everybody can play and everybody get a chance to win a bike. So pretty much, you're
gonna play the game, and whoever get the highest score at the end of the time frame, like I said, I might do 30 days, but whoever get the highest score at the end of the 30 days, that's who win the bike. So be prepared to play the game and get the highest score, and you're gonna win the bike. Simple as that. But yeah, man, stay tuned, man. But yeah, man, I just had to get a quick little motor vlog in, man. I had to put R6 hot, get a little gas off my chest, and then that way I could explain the giveaway. You know what I'm saying, to get y'all prepared and stuff, because I know y'all been waiting. But yeah, man, we're gonna take this thing on back to the highs, and then we're gonna end the video.
All right, y'all, that's the end of the vid. If y'all enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. I don't even know if y'all can see me right now, but like I said, we still finna drop the vid. If y'all want to see the content that's on the way, if y'all want to see the YZ, the twin, ATVs, the giveaway, I'm saying, subscribe to the channel. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.